Hey guys, Rose Pants here. I'm making my walk to the library for the vlog, and I washed my hair for the first time since here, and we're gonna let it air dry, see what the humidity does to my hair. Is it gonna poof? Is it gonna be normal? I don't know. I just hope my bangs stay okay. We'll see. Brushing Luke on a hardwood floor is pretty funny because he just slides around. So we're just like constantly moving and grooving. Yeah, you love being brushed. You love it. Okay, it's time to be really proud of me because I just took my first official bike ride by myself because I gotta go to the pet store to get Luke's food. There is a place that wasn't too terribly far that has his fancy brand, and I'm so happy. Proud of myself. I am especially proud of myself because this is the bike that I have to borrow for the month when I'm here. And it has got drop handlebars, which I have never used before, ever. Like the only bikes I've ever ridden were flat bars. These are also itty baby little skinny tires. My bike has fat tires. Like I purposely bought bigger tires so I would have an easier ride. Whew, there's like I don't know, some sort of park over there. There's a lot of parks here. It's kind of nice. Pet store's just over here. What a cute pet store is this. And yeah, they've got the raw. Does your cat have ADD? Here's a toy with 4 different things for them to play with on one. Can't stay focused on the bear? Whoop, there's a feather. Fuck that feather. Whoop, there's a nice rainbow cloud. Fuck the rainbow cloud. Whoop, there's a smiling flower with a feather. What? Just did some grocery shopping at the local market. And now we're at the park. That's my brother with his baby Micah. I've been noticing these mini water parks are becoming more and more popular in places where it's crazy hot. Clouds are epic today, by the way. Someone fell asleep on the walk home. When you're in, I guess, yeah, it's a pretty creepy basement, and you see something that makes you go, whoa. On a little bit of a bike ride through this sweet park. It's pretty damn big, and it has a ton of gazebos and shit, and they're all different sizes and shapes. There's another one there in the distance that's even bigger, and they're just all over. So St. Louis has this thing called Food Truck Fridays in this park that I'm at, and it puts San Francisco's off the grid to shame. This is the start of the lineup. So everyone's like picnicking out in the park after they get all their foods. But the line of food trucks is like a mile long, or like half-mile long at the least. Like, there are so many food trucks, way more than San Francisco ever has. So I just did a quick pass and was like, whoa. Now I'm gonna go back through and see if there's anything that I just like have to have. This Korean barbecue in a cup seems to be the most popular because I see like everyone with it. But as you can see, it just goes on and on and on. And the award for the cutest food truck ever. So many people already. There you go. So cute. Alright, I reached the other end. And you can see all of the people. They have these sweet waste stations for compost. I'm super impressed.